here's how to take high resolution photos on a POCO X7. So of course we're gonna open the camera first. And now in order to take the highest resolution possible, to make photos in the highest resolution possible, you can for instance use the 50 megapixels mode, which you can find over here in the more section. By doing so, you will capture the biggest photos possible if you care only about the highest resolution. If you make photos in the photo mode, and if you want to keep doing photos in the photo mode, then in that case what you can do is make sure that you use the 3:4 aspect ratio. This one provides the highest resolution possible. And if you use Pro mode instead, then you can still use 15 megapixels and you can take the highest resolution possible by going to the camera menu. So you can tap on this arrow that you have in the middle of the screen at the top, or you can simply just swipe down on the camera preview, and then you can enable Ultra HD, which uses the 50 megapixel lenses. Now keep in mind that this option is available only when you use 26 millimeters camera lenses. And that's pretty much it. Of course, in addition to that, in order to improve the quality of photos, you need to care about the condition of the light. So the light must be good enough in order to, of course, make beautiful photos, and so on and so forth. But if we are talking strictly about some settings that provide the highest resolution, then of course 50 megapixel is the way to go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!